It's really pretty, beautiful. I love it so much. Hello guys, I'm Chesom. Today in this vlog, I'll show you whole day journey towards Bumthang. Right now, I'm here in Hongso, one of the checkposts, because I have two foreigners with me. They need to clear some documents here in the Hongso checkpost. So I'm waiting to complete the process. I thought of introducing myself here. I will show you whole journey towards Bumthang today in this vlog. Keep on watching. Now we have reached here in Dochula. It's the passes between Thimphu and Wangdi. You can see so many tourists. It's one of the most famous tourist spots here in Bhutan. Dochula Pass is located at about 3,100 meters above sea level on the road between Thimphu and Punakha. It's one of Bhutan's most scenic spots, known for its beautiful Himalayan views and its 108 tuk Wangil churches built in 2004 by Queen Mother Ashitoji Wangchuk to honor soldiers who died in 2003 military operations. Located just 22 kilometers from Thimphu, it is a popular stop for travelers. Now I reached here in Lamperi Park. We thought of eating lunch here. We brought back lunch and now we are going to do a small picnic. Sounds interesting, right? I'm so happy. What I can expect more than this life. See how pretty nature, greenery. This is my picnic spot. It's really beautiful. Wow.
Ja, über das Schaf.
Yeah. Lunch. The taste ka du galab me. Chinge mazai maza ni.
Am Anfang wollten wir
Pan
Dann
malamidi.
sagen, was unhöflich wäre.
An zai ngema
Dann
pan
haben wir
malamidi
Nein
ani.
gesagt und dann hat es trotzdem nichts gebracht.
Sai chinge ma maza. Hachi ikhala thong bote. Special dani. Little.
Schmeckt gut, ja?
Ja.
Warst du schon hier?
Compliments to your sister.
Auf. Picnic.
Ja, das ist aber ein Park eigentlich, oder?
Easy. Bhutan is a land of breathtaking natural beauty, covered in rich green forest. Around 70% of the country is covered by forest, and Bhutan's constitution guarantees that at least 60% will remain protected forever. This commitment to nature has made Bhutan the world's only carbon-negative nation, absorbing more carbon dioxide than it produces. As the world rapidly develops, Bhutan continues to stand out as a rare sanctuary of pure air, untouched landscapes, and sustainable living. The question now is whether Bhutan can preserve this extraordinary greenery in the years to come, but its strong environmental values makes it one of the most inspiring and responsible travel destinations on earth. Right now we have reached here in Wangdi. You can see here Wangdi song. Again we need to drive almost 5-6 hours till Bumthang. Thought of taking one video shot from here, but I could not go forward. It looks a little bit scary and cliff, so I don't want to fall down. I'm here now, I'm taking video from here. For my viewers, wherever you are, which country you are, if you wish to visit Bhutan but you don't know how to process the documents and with whom to contact, I'm here to help you. Please do contact me. You can just write in the comment below. I'm here to help you. I will make sure that you can easily visit Bhutan.
So that means how long do we need to the hotel?
Oh, we need to go again for 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Or no, for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. You
Nur 5 minutes. Then
No, I
don't
mean
make it
again,
today.
how many hours?
Now you can guess the hour.
Now you can guess the hour. I have already given hint to reach the Bumthang Jaka view, Jakasong view for 5 minutes. Now we are just entering right now mini Switzerland. We have passed the Pelila imo. Pelila passes, and again we need to drive. I think we will reach around evening. 따뜻해 조금 해줘. Right now we are here in Tongsa viewpoint, and we brought tea. We are going to have a tea. I have lunch left over here. I'll eat right now and drink tea. This is Tongsa Song, the largest fortress in Bhutan. It is located in the center of the country, and it's known for its impressive architecture and historical significance as a former seat of power. Nam so dem da dem.
Hat er, glaube ich, 2 Kinder jetzt inzwischen?
2 hours na hiulong achifa.
Ja, ja, das hat, der hatte dann noch.
Okay.
Hello na. Hey, nabugi hotel di Chamkatown na gat side na inala. Ani nabugi hotel di Chamkatown na gat side na ina. Ani Google na taiba to nga phone switch off jon bede nga follow BB on the what to Chamkatown na mahis. Na. Jalikar. Nas tubla. And Chamkatown will come to take me all the time. Nas. Google na ta se dem.
Ah, der Hund wartet schon auf uns.
Finally, we reach here in Bumthang, and I'm staying here. One of the most beautiful property. It's called Hotel Jakar View. I'll show you how my room looks like. And here's the entrance. Here you can keep your luggage and slippers. Wow, it's so pretty. I love it. Bed. This is our bathroom. Marrow. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Not bad. Right now I'm going for dinner. They told me it's downstairs, and I'll go and check what they're going to serve us. I'm very curious to see, especially when I travel. I love eating food, trying from some others, and usually when I'm at home I cook myself every time, and right now it's our best opportunity to eat from someone's hand. So let's see how it tastes. No problem. Thank you.
It's hot, but you can try the liquid. You can add a little liquid with the rice, mix it. Actually, actually, it is to increase our appetite.
Aber nur die Soße da.
So.
Guck mal, siehst du da noch was anderes aus der Soße? Nee, ne?
Nein, ich hab schon. Ich hab die
So
schon.
for Madam Chenjong, this is her fourth meal.
Fourth meal how?
So, guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit. Bon Appetit.
Schmeckt gut? Lecker. Yesterday I thought of ending vlog, but I was too tired after having dinner. Just went into bed directly. Today I'll show you how it looks outside, and then I'm going to end my vlog here. You can see here outside view, and this one is Jakar Song. This is the property where I'm staying for 2 nights. It's really pretty, beautiful. I love it so much. And outside looks like this. So nice, Bumthang. I love it.